Hello Stampers, this is super awesome stamper Shirley Merker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Wisconsin, USA. These are my two craft-along kits for the October 29th, 2022 one-of-a-kind craft-along. So included in the Balmy Blue kit will be 2 pieces of pattern paper. You can decide which pattern to use on your card front, a liner for the inside, an embossed snowflake piece, a die-cut label for your sentiment, a die-cut snowflake, and a couple of strips of ribbon, and a strip of this iridescent pearls. You'll get more pieces in your kit than you'll actually use on your card. The basic black kit includes the white liner, a piece of the linen adhesive back paper for you to die cut yourself. I'll include the snowflakes that are used on my sample card already die cut, pattern paper, a snowflake die cut, 3 of these lasting label punches, including 2 of the basic white in case you need a little extra help making sure your sentiment is centered, a strip of these floral adhesive gems, and I've only used one in the center. It looks like a snowflake. To complete my kit, I used the Season of Chic stamp set to add my sentiments, along with the Balmy Blue ink pad and the Mint Macaron ink pad. The stamp set and the ink pads are not included in your kit. You'll also need to add adhesives. So go to my blog at superawesomestamper.com and click on Kits in the Mail or the one-of-a-kind icon for full details and ordering. Your purchase will include an emailed PDF idea file full of Season of Chic ideas. So if you do purchase the stamp set, you'll have a few more ideas to create using the stamp set. And we'll stamp with you soon. Bye.